Well, here's the problem with the Convex Earth documentary. In the first 30 minutes, they present their experiments and explain what they are going to do. In the next 30 minutes, they show the results of these experiments. Namely, there's zero measurable curvature at all, no matter where you bother to look, and our beloved Earth is flat like a pancake. However, after showing their flat results, they drift off into Fantasyland and show us that we live on an oyster-shaped planet drifting through outer space.
Then how can we determine the real shape of the planet? The researchers concluded that the Earth is neither spherical nor geoid, but rather convex on the continents and flat in the waters.
And how did they come to this conclusion? Well, guys, to be honest, I have no idea. After proving that the Earth is flat and that there's no curvature anywhere, they jump to the conclusion that we live on planet Oyster. But they don't give any solid explanation for that. And you know what? While we're at it, let's throw in some gravity! The imaginary force that holds all their lies together.
It does not exist. According to the experiments, gravity does not exist.
15 minutes later.
This phenomenon was called a gravitational lens.
It does not exist.
In this way, the gravitational lenses were proved through astronomical observations of objects of great mass.
It does not exist.
Hey, welcome aboard, everybody. Welcome to our little zero-G fantasy land.
1 hour and 18 minutes into the documentary, they give a 2-minute explanation why there is a new continent on their map model. By launching several atmospheric probes equipped with cameras and stuff, they were able to identify a new landmass, a new continent beyond the Antarctic ice wall. They called it the Great Northern. They don't show any real proof, just this high-altitude balloon fisheye footage, but I guess that's okay because they still have their huge pool model of this whole convex Earth thing. And they have their fancy CGI, so there's that.
Knowing the real model of the Earth changes everything. Mainly in the academic system. Schools will have to redo all of their programming from their school curriculum, geography, astronomy, mathematics, physics, everything changes. Everything we learn, the whole context, especially with regard to the model. Cartography, air navigation, maritime, fuel economy, military strategies, meteorology, climate issues, all of that changes. Everything we learned was mistaken. Everything we learned was mistaken.
Unfortunately, it's not that simple. Not only have we been mistaken, we have been lied to. We have been lied to for the last 5 centuries at least about the true shape and nature of our Earth. A deception of this magnitude can only function if every government, every space agency, every media outlet, every corporation, and every single thing that counts in the educational sector works towards the same goal: to fool mankind into believing the globe lie. And that's what they have been doing, and not since yesterday. I mean, do you really think the people pulling this off for such a long time will be impressed by this Convex Earth documentary and will be forced into revealing the truth to the public or something like that? I seriously doubt it, folks. I don't know about you guys, but to me this whole Convex Earth theory smells like another hoax. Like misinformation to lead us astray. To keep on hiding the fact that there is a dome above us all. Please do your own research. And may God Almighty bless and protect you and your families and all good humans on flat Earth.
Alright, it's reaching altitude. Hits the dome and curves and starts falling down.